So I'm back on the 84 Chevy van today. This thing has had a brake issue since before I got it. And when you hit the brakes, it goes like it should about halfway, and then the pedal just gets hard. And I already replaced the brake hoses because I thought maybe that was it. And the guy that owned it before me changed the master cylinder. So today I'm going to go ahead and change the brake booster, and hopefully that'll fix it. There ain't much to change to figure it out. So I'm working it down and we'll figure it out. Okay, so I already unhooked the battery because we got bolts here and that there, and probably not a good idea to leave that hooked up. Create a problem for sure. So here's the new brake booster, as you can tell because of the way it is. This side is where the master cylinder hooks up. And on this side, I got 4 bolts to get up under the dash, so I must do that now. That should be a lot of fun. And then after I get this old one off, we'll compare them, make sure everything's the same, and we'll go from there. Okay, so I finally got the old booster out. Everything seems to line up pretty good. I had a tag on it saying it was a remanufactured one, so I don't know what that's if it's gonna help me or not, but nothing else, the new one's nice and clean. This bolt here was kind of a pain to get to, but the other ones weren't too bad with the swivel and long extension. Alright, now I'll try to get the new one slid back in there and get it back together, and then I'll have to take it for a test drive and see if it helped. Hope so. For anyone that thinks maybe I just needed to adjust the booster, there's no adjustment on these. Okay, so I got it all back together. Next I'll just have to drive it, see if it helped. Hopefully. If not, I guess it wasn't a total waste of time because at least it looks nicer. But it was a big chunk of money, so hopefully it all works out. Of course, I gotta clean up all my tools before I can even go on a drive, but we'll get on that. Get it down the road. Drive, and the brakes work great. So glad. It was pretty sketchy before. Should make it a lot nicer to drive now. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you have a good day.